long time no see. I wanted to vlog 4th of July. That was the original plan, but I completely forgot, and I didn't think about it until after the fact. I'm like, oh shoot, I forgot to film 4th of July. So we didn't get to film 4th of July, but it was super fun. I really wanted to. So now we're filming this. We're going on a beach trip today with the church. So this should be really fun. Make some memories with my friends. Maybe get some funny moments captured. Who knows? So yeah, basically it. Beach day. So I'm currently dog sitting right now, but I don't have a car because my car's in the shop. It overheated and we need to get like a new cooling system or something in it. So Kaylee is on her way and she's gonna pick me up and bring me to the church. And yeah. Hey, hi, Kaylee got me.
I'm getting out of the Overton driveway.
She's kind of scared because
I did it. I'm successfully. Success.
Yay. Now we're going to the church.
Woo!
Have some fun.
Yeah. Hey. Okay.
It's hot.
We made it to the church.
It's hot. What's up, vlog? This is me, Peyton, Nevaeh, Avery, the boys are on the other side. Yeah.
That's when he started fighting. That's when he started boxing.
That's low-key strange.
They bit the bitch.
Because that is low-key strange.
Is recording. Do I look cool or what?
We're here, guys. How do you feel?
I feel great.
So we're here now. We made
Oh
it.
yeah, we're at the beach.
The water is like very blue, and they have a wedding too that's going on. So hopefully we can get. I don't know. The wedding's kind of cool. I don't know if you can see it. It's over there. Okay, so we went in, and it's kind of like dirty, like seaweedy. But we're gonna go in again. This time with the camera. Kaylee's going that way. I'm staying here.
Guys, there's so much stuff in the water. And my shirt is wet. It's so nasty.
Me, Garrett, and Dave Vaughn, we went out to the green, and it was cold. I didn't realize how far out we actually went though. Oh my goodness. Oh! Okay, that one kinda hurt. Oh, okay, so we just made Nevaeh a mermaid. Come see. So this is Mermaid Nevaeh. She's really gorgeous. Yeah. She's super gorgeous.
Thank you.
And now you have to bust out of it and run as fast as you can.
I'm not running, but I will bust out of it.
Okay.
Break it.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh! Wait, I can't count.
No, you got it. You gotta get out.
Now
There
run
you go.
into the ocean.
Okay,
Ocean.
Okay guys, so we're done at the beach. Now we are going to Dewey Destin's. It's a restaurant, which is supposed to be really good. I'm kind of excited. And yeah, we're gonna eat and make the most of it. The beach day was pretty good. I mean, 7 out of 10, there's just seaweed everywhere. I had fun. I made JT a mermaid. I made Nevaeh a mermaid. And yeah, that's it. like it?
I loved it. I housed it. Guys, y'all can call me big because I had 5 hush puppies.
Hey.
Yeah, I had a shrimp po' boy. It was pretty good. Avery, how'd you like the food? It was good.
Out of 10.
Food was good. We're on the way home now.
It's dirty. Like it got so old. I was like,
Original Teen Titans was hard.
yeah.
And I'm not gonna
The Teen-Titans.
Yeah, they
I do like Teen Titans.
Out of the highways that span to the seas, the one that I take never stops in between. A whole 3,000-mile road.